Pacific Timber Products is an older sawmill built here in the 50s, and we retrofitted ourselves inside to do custom wood fabrication. So we're cutting and drilling and prefabricating wood structures. We really specialize in big timbers and big logs. And the bigger it is, the less competition we have.
You know, the bigger the better for us, for our tools and the way that we do things. The small ornate stuff gets kind of tight on us because our tools that we have.
As far as our equipment goes, most of it is either really old or shop made or both. We have a couple of big log lathes that are probably, some of our feature pieces of equipment, and they were homemade, and our lathes can go up to 85 feet, and we can turn up to about 3 feet in diameter. We've made some pretty custom items on our lathes. We do some historic recreation ship masts, usually for museum ships. We do a lot of crane mats, which are big timber pads they drive heavy equipment on. We do lots of bridges, and every one is custom for the project. We do a lot of pedestrian bridges. We do quite a bit of Forest Service, National Park bridges. And then other than that, a lot of them are just one-off projects. And once that project's done, there'll never be another one like it. Size capacity is limited to what we can move, and honestly that breaks down to if it can fit on a truck or not. So we do make some things that are too big to ship, and we'll build them in pieces or in segments and ship segments on individual trucks and then let them assemble them on site. Well, currently today, what you'll be seeing is working on a bridge here going to Happy Valley for Hidden Falls. Our customer is Western Wood Structures. They've gone ahead and done the whole design aspect, the engineering, and put this project together. So the wood on this project is all coastal region Douglas fir, which is great for us because it's all coming right out of Oregon, Clackamas County. That's always a benefit to us. Anything that specifies as Douglas fir gives us a better opportunity of getting the job. Once all the glue lamps are manufactured and the lumber's ready, we bring it all in here. We open up our plants and we go through piece by piece, and we make sure we cut, we drill, get every single piece ready to go.
The unique thing is it's all freestanding. No bottom piers. Everything's going to be self-supportive from end to end. And with it all being glue lambs, it'll be very decorative when it is done, and through time with the aging and patina, it'll be a sharp looking bridge.
Clackamas County is a good place for us to do business because we're right along 205 and I-5 for good shipping routes. We send quite a bit of stuff to the ports. Easy access for us to get product onto a barge or a ship and go anywhere in the world.
We're 5 minutes to the woods to do anything up in the woods you want to do. We're 15 minutes to fishing, and we're 15 minutes into Oregon City or whatever on those little areas, so we're kind of central, the same thing. We're central to do anything we want to do, and they got every indoor and outdoor sport you could ask for.
We're lucky to be able to have a location like this here in Clackamas County. We're sitting here on about 20 acres of rural land. We don't have neighbors, we're not in a tight residential area, so it works out great for us. We've got a lot of space, and we're not making loud noises for all the neighbors living by. We have great access to Douglas fir. Our main timber source is right here in the valley. The entire industry is still growing, and the Willamette Valley in Clackamas County is still a great place for timber and lumber in general. So I think the entire industry is growing, and we're going to benefit from that.